Say it a little louder for the person in the back, please.
At least give your best self the same amount of time to build your life that you gave your worst self the time to destroy your life. And then we can talk. Because you can spend decades thinking terribly and try to shift it and go through a challenge. Be like, man, this isn't working. It's not working. You gave the club 20 years and you're giving this 2 months. Doesn't even seem logical. At least give yourself a little bit of margin to understand this is a new way to live.